Whether you're a self-taught artist or went to school, there's a common theme we all have. Consistency is key. Mozart wrote over 600 pieces, and from this he accumulated 50 symphonies and consequently at least 5 masterpieces. As painters, we are astonished by work ethics of Vincent van Gogh and Jean-Michel Basquiat, creating a new painting for what it seemed like a day. Consistency is vital, however most fall into complacency, lose motivation, lack discipline, or lose self-confidence. So how do we prevent this? These artists are masters at their crafts, but they too are humans as well. In theory, for me, I believe that in order to remain consistent is to do things that are hard for you to do. For me, lately, I've felt like I've been losing motivation. However, what I've been doing to combat this is to do paintings that are harder for me. Personally, I don't like portraits, and I really don't like oil, but lately all of my works have shown portraits and are made of oil paint. The reason I do this is because I know that the challenge will reward me in the end. The challenge creates the confidence that I need. As creators, we all know the creative process. At one point, our paintings are hideous, but as you build layer upon layer, they become the masterpiece that you see in your head. The confidence is vital to this. To have the strength to continue, even if it doesn't look good, is important. Because every creative epiphany we have needs to come out in some way or another. What I'm saying is, in order to become consistent like those masters, you have to give yourself trials and tribulations, so you know your limit is actually limitless. And consistency is often linked with confidence, and we gain confidence through this consistency of trialing ourselves and making it difficult. Maybe you'll surprise yourself like I did for me and this portrait. If you guys like the video, please click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more. You can view this painting and many others of mine on my website, torchesart.com.